Sat Shri Akal Saryan. Good afternoon all. Can I hear for my children? A big round of applause. Big. Yes. I run short of words to express what magic my kids have done on the stage, what magic they have brought to the stage. Thank you so much to everyone. Respected Sir Baldev Singh and Amarjit Kaur ma'am, management members, dedicated teachers and my dear students. Today is a day of pride, celebration and joy for the entire Sacred Soul School family. Even though our parents are not present today, the energy, the enthusiasm and the unity that fills this hall reflect the true spirit of our school. It is not just a stage event, it is a celebration of our journey, our achievements and the dreams that inspire us to move forward. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the pillars who make this institution strong. First and foremost, I express my profound thanks to our management members, Mr. Alamveer Singh sir and Mr. Bhagatpreet Singh sir, for their constant guidance, unwavering support and for empowering us to innovate, excel and grow. The vision has been the driving force behind every accomplishment we celebrate today. They are visionaries far ahead of their times. They have built an institution where learning is not confined to the pages of the textbooks, but should expand into the hearts and minds of students, shaping character, creativity, and compassion. They believe in instilling skills that would later become essential in both academic and professional settings. It is their belief in innovation and commitment to prepare students for the future that sets them apart. They understand the power of performance in education. A warm appreciation to Ms. Diljot Kaur, Mr. Rupinder Kaur and Mr. Jatinder for their tireless efforts in planning and coordinating this grand event. Your dedicated work behind the scenes has made today's celebration seamless and successful. A special word for our music teacher, Mr. Hardev Singh, dance teacher, Deepak sir, Ms. Shweta, Ms. Manjinder, Mr. Karanjeet Singh, Mr. Rahul, Ms. Param, Ms. Sujit, Ms. Vandana, Mr. Shivam, Mr. Sanyam, Ms. Kanchan, Ms. Suman, Mr. Jatin, Ms. Charu, Ms. Akansha, Ms. Shakti and Vipanjot Kaur. And forgive me if I have forgotten any name. They have brought a vibrant color and festive atmosphere alive. Your creativity has added beauty and grace to this occasion. This academic year has truly been a golden chapter in the legacy of our school. Our students have excelled in academics, creativity and especially in sports, where they have raised the school's pride to new heights. We are honored to share that Mr. Bhushan received the prestigious PAP Award, Pride of the School, a moment of immense pride for all of us. Also in the upcoming week, on 6th of December, students of our school are going to perform at Chandigarh University as they have bagged third position in the entire state for the cultural performance. School has been adjudged as the best school in this category. Our brilliant students brought home a remarkable tally of 19 golds, 20 silver and 11 bronze medals in district school games. At state level, in Wushu, Taekwondo, Kickboxing, we bagged total 4 medals. Gursimrat, she bagged silver medal in the state championship. Ashmi, he got a bronze medal at state level championship. Navraj Singh got silver medal at state championship and Vishwapreet Singh a silver medal at state championship. Our under 17 football team bagged first position at Government School Alupur. Under 14 football team was adjudged as second. Komal and Antara won gold medals in under 17 girls boxing at district level. Sacred Soul has once again proved its dominance in sports with exceptional achievements in district, state and CBSE tournaments. In Taekwondo, we total received 13 gold medals, 8 silver medals 4 bronze medals. In fencing, 12 gold medals, 11 silver medals. Wushu, 12 gold medals, 10 silver, 3 bronze. Kickboxing, 12 gold, 5 silver, 1 bronze. Boxing, 4 gold, 6 silver. Chess, 3 gold medals. Skating, 3 gold and 1 bronze medal. So more than 30 players they have participated at state level championship. I would like my students to clap for Mr. Avtar and Mr. Rahul for their contribution in games. Also at CBSE Cluster Games, 2 students, Yogesh and Ishita, they qualified for nationals. Ishita won 1 gold and Yogesh won bronze medal. In cricket, our 2 students were selected for district under 17 championship. Football, there were 2 selections for district under 17. Volleyball, there were 3 selections for district under 17. And basket, we got 1 silver medal. Gurnoor Kaur, Nitya Gupta, Navika and Apeksha, they won gold medals in chess at zonal level. Our class 10 result reflected outstanding hard work, discipline and progress. We have given 100% result this time again in 10th standard. Each student has made us proud with his sincere efforts throughout the year. So this day is incomplete without the vibrant showcase of talent presented by our students. If every performance today is a masterpiece created with passion, dedication and endless practice. From the graceful classical dance to the melodious English song, from the culturally rich play to the expressive contemporary dance, from the elegant ramp walk to the energetic Bhangra and Gidda, and from the impactful English play to the synchronized beats of our orchestra, each performance has reflected excellence, creativity and confidence. You all have truly made the stage come alive. Can I hear for my children once again what magic they have done today? Can you just, as a generous audience, can you clap for our students? My dear students, today you have shown that Sacred Souls is not just a place of learning. It is a home of talent, discipline, creativity and resilience. Whether you performed on stage, worked backstage, managed props or cheered for your classmates, you have contributed to the success of this celebration. To my teachers, your dedication and commitment continue to shape the future of our children. Thank you for being the guiding light behind every achievement. You are the real heroes of today's event. And once again, heartfelt gratitude to our management for their unwavering vision and support. Where there is a problem, they see a solution. That sets them apart from others. Let us continue to dream big, work hard and rise higher with every passing day. Thank you and God bless you all.